Situationship tu, as ChatGPT says, is a phase tau. Is a phase of uncertainty between you sebenarnya dah attach. It's an attachment issue. You dah attach dengan orang tu.
Situationship cakap I love you tak?
That's why it's situationship.
Kira kau pergi makan dengan orang ni, kau call dia, apa benda semua, kau update semua, tapi kau tak cakap I love you, kau tak pernah berbicara tentang soal hati dan perasaan. Itu.
But you know, both of you memang ada feeling towards each other.
Sebab dia put you in a situation.
B, berapa lama you letak I dalam situationship dulu, B?
Dalam situasi
Waktu
ragu-ragu.
kita awal-awal bercinta. Oh my god, I was in a situationship.
Meaning
Okay, I make a friend. I have a lot of girlfriends. I kawan je dengan semua orang. Tak ada masalah pun.
reflect.
Kalau kau
Okay.
ya.
Rebel lagu tu. Okay, tak apa. Okay.
Tak, benda ni logik kalau lelaki buat. Because lelaki, they like options.
Men do irresponsible things by giving hope. Dia macam
Betul. Sebenarnya.
if you feel commitment, don't approach the
Yes.
girl.
Betul
Tak mampu, lepas tu nak the emotion
Yes.
trip,
Support.
comfort, apa
yes.
semua. Lepas tu when like you dah gone too far,
Tak telur.
you dah gone too far, and then macam you tak nak commit.
Itu tak ada
Lepas tu
telur sebenarnya.
guna alasan I fear commitment, my economy not stable.
Bullshit je
So, macam
cakap.
Yes.
I don't
So-
freaking want your money. I don't need your money, bitch.